Hello guys, and welcome to this beautiful video. My name is our Gmam Isoto, and I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you how you can make money online. I show you things that you need to know when it comes to doing stuffs online. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 equipment that you will need to launch your business online, and at the end of the video I'll also add other resources that you also need in combination of these 6 equipment to make your business grow, to launch your business online. So if you're landing on this video for the first time, do me a favor, like this video, comment if you need to, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, when you subscribe, it shows that you support what we are doing. Alright, let me move straight into the video. So what are the things you need? You need a laptop to push your business. You need a smartphone to push your business. You need a smartphone to communicate with your client. Okay, you need a camera. A camera helps you to do your photography. Okay, so as you grow with your business, you might need a camera to showcase some of your product. Now if you don't have money to get cameras, you can also use your smartphone. Okay, you can use a smartphone. Another thing you will need is a tripod stand. A tripod stand is simply an equipment that helps you to balance your camera or your smartphone when you're shooting. Okay, that's a tripod. It helps you to hold and balance whatever you're doing, so you don't have your hands shaking when you're shooting. Okay, so another thing you need is your microphones. Yes, if you have to do recording, if you have to do sound recording for music, for podcast, for YouTube videos, and for whatever that involves audio, you need a microphone. Now you can, if you can't go with a microphone, you can use your earpiece. Yes, you can use your earpiece. All right, so the next thing you also need is your headphones. That can also work as your earpiece. Okay, now what are the other things you need? You will need a landing page builder. What a landing page builder does is it helps you to create something that looks like a one-page website. For instance, when you're launching your business, you may not have the money to start a website. You may not have the money to build a full website because it costs some money to build websites. So you can go with the option of creating a landing page, just like a one-page website that showcases all that your business does, your services, your contact, and everything about your business. It shows it in just one page. Now that is what a landing page builder is all about, and it's quite easy if you want to build a landing page. If your business is a small business, I can recommend that you choose to do a landing page. Okay, so if you're thinking of doing a landing page, you can hit me on the comment section. We'll talk about that. Okay, another thing you need is email service provider. Now for instance, as a business owner, you need to keep your audience, you need to keep your client informed by continuously nurturing them, continuously sending them messages, continuously educating them. So how would you do this? You do this through your email provider. Okay, you send emails to them, just like the way telecoms companies send us messages on our phones. Okay, just to remind us that they are still existing. That's how you're supposed to do your business. So the next thing you need is a website. As you grow, you will need a website. Okay, you need a website. Although not everybody will want to do that, but you will need a website as your business grows. Another thing you need is a video recording and editing apps. Now if you're watching this video right now, I want to say to you, I am using a video recording app to do this video. Okay, I'm making this video on my smartphone and I'm using a recording app. Okay, you need a recording app, you need editing app to edit pictures, to edit sound, to edit videos, and what have you. So you need all of those things. Another thing you need, which is the last thing in this video, you need a graphic design software. There are different types of graphic design softwares you can use. Okay, the ones for design, to design your book covers, to design your cover art, to design your 3D mockups, and what have you. a lot of things you can do with graphic design tools. Okay, so one of them is your Canva. Okay, Canva is very, very popular. Okay, so these are all of the things you need, basic things you need to launch your business online. I believe that you've gotten value from this video. If you have questions for me, put it in the comment section. I'm going to give you my answers ASAP. And if you have inquiries too, put it in the comment section. Please like this video. If you've gotten value from it, like it, hit the notification bell, subscribe. Okay, share this video, let people know that this video exists. Okay, subscribe to this video. All right, and I'm going to see you in my subsequent videos. Thank you very much for sticking around to the end of this video. I look forward to seeing you in my other videos. Take care.